AI. Seems like it's everywhere these days, right?
Yeah, for sure. Definitely a lot of buzz around it.
But today we're we're diving into how AI is showing up somewhere you might not expect.
Oh, where's that?
Microsoft Excel.
Interesting. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So we've got some articles here, some excerpts. Looks like folks are pretty excited about, the possibilities.
Right. Yeah. I mean, Excel's already so powerful. I can only imagine what AI can add to that.
Exactly. So let's get into it. We'll break down what we found. And by the end of this, you'll be able to walk into any meeting and sound like you're already an AI in Excel pro.
Sounds good to me. Love to impress my colleagues with some cutting-edge spreadsheet skills.
Well, one phrase that kept popping up in these articles was new artificial intelligence features in Excel, or sometimes just AI features in Excel.
Right. Yeah, I saw that too.
But what does that even mean?
Good question. So most likely when they say AI features, they're talking about features powered by machine learning.
Machine learning.
Basically, these are algorithms that can analyze data, find patterns, and then use those patterns to do all sorts of things.
Like what? Give me an example.
Sure. Imagine downloading your bank statement, and then an algorithm automatically categorizes everything for you. Okay, this is blunt, this is groceries, this is, that weird impulse purchase.
Right.
Or it could predict next quarter's sales based on, past trends, stuff like that. Pretty powerful stuff.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's like using AI to take some of the grunt work out of using Excel.
Exactly. Yeah. Automating tasks, making things more efficient, that kind of thing.
And I also saw this other term being thrown around a lot, natural language processing, or NLP for short.
Right. Yeah. NLP, that's a big one.
But I mean, NLP in Excel.
Yeah.
What does that even look like?
So basically, NLP lets you talk to Excel using normal, everyday language.
Wait, so instead of writing out a complex formula.
Yeah, exactly. You could just type in something like, show me the average sales for product X in, say, the West Coast region for the last year. And Excel would just get it.
Whoa. Hold on. So I wouldn't have to build any formulas or anything. It would just understand what I'm asking.
That's the idea, yeah. It's about making Excel way more intuitive and accessible.
Okay, wow. So if I'm understanding this right, this could be huge for quick analysis, or if I'm putting together a presentation and need some data points fast.
Absolutely. It would definitely speed things up. And you wouldn't need to be an Excel wizard to get insights from your data.
But what about more complicated stuff? Can you get really specific with these natural language commands?
That's a great question. And to be honest, we'll probably learn more as these features roll out and, people start really using them.
Right. Hey.
It'll be interesting to see just how nuanced and complex these NLP features can get. Can they handle really specific, multi-layered questions? But even if they can just handle the basics, that's still a massive step forward.
Totally. It's like AI is finally becoming more human.
Exactly. And, one of the articles actually talked about this, about how AI is becoming more accessible, less intimidating.
Oh, yeah. I saw that. It's not just for, data scientists in a lab anymore.
Right. And this whole NLP and Excel thing, that's a perfect example. It's putting the power of AI into the hands of, anyone who uses spreadsheets.
So it's not just about complex algorithms working behind the scenes. It's about actually making AI a practical tool for everyday tasks. That's pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Okay. So to sum up, it sounds like AI is about to really change the way we use Excel, making data analysis, visualizations, all that much easier and more accessible.
Definitely. It has that potential for sure.
It actually brings up another question.
Oh, what's that?
Well, if AI can handle, more of the heavy lifting in Excel, what skills are we going to need to really excel, pun intended, in the workplace?
Nice.
Will we need to be better at asking the right questions, interpreting the results, using those insights strategically?
Yeah, that's a really good point. It's definitely something to think about as we, move into this world of AI-powered tools.
Definitely. It seems like even the most familiar tools are evolving in, pretty exciting ways.
Yeah.
I guess we'll have to wait and see what other surprises are in store.
For sure.
Thanks for breaking it all down.
Happy to do it.
This was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Until next time.
See you then.